Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera, co-founder of NBC Trading Academy, with today's free market forecast and preview for the week. Absolute market panic worldwide in the market this morning. Oil down over 30%. Oil stocks taking a beating. It's a combination of a price war between Saudi Arabia and Russia in reference to oil, and on top of that, coronavirus. So let's take a quick look at the market here. And to be honest with you, this is one of the very few times ever that we are here at NBC Trading Academy. We are definitely advising that you do not trade the market right now. Short selling has been suspended in the S&P, and we're only 2%. We're only 2% away from shutting the market down altogether. Remember, margins have increased by your brokers, so you have to be very careful today. So basically, I would not suggest. Now remember, this area here should not surprise you. I spoke about this area. I've been speaking about this area for a while. This is the low, one of the lows of October, and I drew this blue line here, and I said to you, this is a very important level here. Very important level here. We had tested it before. Market reduced, used it as a swing low, and it continued to rally to the upside. Now it broke below it, and I told you you're going to see a lot of panic if this happens. That's exactly what's happening in the markets today. That's the technical reason for this happening. Break through this area. Next level are the lows from way back here in May. Actually, in June, May 31st of 2019's low, way down here. At that point, we're well over 100 points below the all-time high that we established earlier this year in February. So this is a huge drop. This would no longer be what we would consider a from this particular run here. This is no longer a retracement. This is no longer retracement. We broke below the retracement. We're at 61%. This was the 200 SMA. We're way below there on this particular run. And if you want to take it back to the original run that caused these all-time highs, all the way to the current all-time high from the swing low that we had back in December of 18, we are currently at a 50% retracement, but it's still quite dangerous, If you're seeing panic now, if we break below here, that's when all hell's going to break loose. So today, guys, just look at this market. Just look at our charts. Look at it technically. It is not for the faint of heart. This is not a market that you want to be in. We have a huge gap here, huge intraday gap here, just a tremendous gap on the S&P. We're talking about practically, let's see, 17. Wow, we're talking almost over 50 points, over a 50-point gap in a market. That's a huge gap. Everything's pointed to the downside. Like I mentioned to you before, the market right now is suspended selling to the short side. Okay, suspended selling to the short side. It is not permitting people to sell to the short side. And if we do another 1.5 to 2%, the market is going to stop trading on the S&P. The Dow Jones currently is down 1,255 points, over almost 5%. That's the key number there, 5%. That's why they stopped it. And the S&P is following suit. So I am not going to be showing you positions today. I am not going to be telling you these are the positions we're considering. I am not even going to talk to you anything about that. It's very dangerous out there to be. This is not a market for the faint of heart. This is not a market to be toiled with. This is not a market that you want to be involved in today. So from our perspective today at NBC Trading Academy, we're just suggesting that you stay out today, wait for the dust to settle, and find better opportunities hopefully tomorrow. Take care and have a great day.